Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Bella, the English podcast where learning feels calm, natural, and possible. I'm Bella.
And I'm Ryan, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
Today's episode is something many of you have been waiting for, and I know that because so many of you have written to us about it.
Yes, and honestly, I needed this lesson too. Even after learning English for a long time, these 3 words still confuse me.
We're talking about be, been, and being.
3 small words, but when they appear in a sentence, many learners freeze.
And that's okay, because today, no freezing. No grammar charts, no scary rules, just real conversation. Real life, real English.
And by the end of this episode, you will feel something important. Not perfect, but confident.
And confidence is always more important than perfection. Always.
Before we start, a small friendly request. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to Talk Bella.
When you subscribe, you don't miss a single episode. And every episode is made for you. Okay, let's begin. Let's start with the first word. Be.
Be. It sounds so simple. But Ryan, when do I actually use it?
Great question. Be is like a seed. It's the beginning of something, the base.
A base?
Yes. Think about this sentence. I want to be confident in English.
Oh, I know that feeling. I want to be confident too.
Exactly. And notice something. You're not saying I am confident. You're not saying I was confident. You're talking about a wish, a hope, something you want to become.
So, be is connected to the future? To dreams?
Yes, often. Be is connected to goals, to advice, to instructions, to things that are not fixed yet.
Can you give more examples?
Of course, a mother says to her child, be kind.
Be kind. Simple.
A teacher says, be quiet, please.
Be quiet. I heard that a lot in school.
A friend says, be careful on the road.
Oh, yes. Very common.
And a coach says, be patient with yourself.
Be patient with yourself.
I need to hear that more often.
We all do. Now, notice something important about these sentences. Be kind, be careful, be patient. None of them are connected to a specific time. Not yesterday, not today, not tomorrow.
They're just ideas?
Exactly. Be is open. It doesn't lock you into a time. It talks about how to act, how to think, how to become.
So when I say, I want to be fluent in English, I'm talking about becoming?
Beautiful. Yes, you are right now here. Here. And fluent is there. Be connects the two.
I want to be fluent. I want to be better. I want to be brave enough to speak.
Yes, all of those. Now, listeners, try this with me. Say this sentence out loud, wherever you are right now.
Yes, say it with us.
I want to be. And finish the sentence yourself. Maybe confident, maybe understood, maybe better at English every day.
That sentence already says something important about you. It says you are trying, and trying is everything.
Now, before we move to been, let me show you one more place we use be in daily life. Questions.
Questions?
Yes, like, can you be here by 7? Will you be at the party? Is that going to be okay?
Oh, I use those all the time without thinking about it.
Exactly. That's the goal, to use English without thinking, without stopping, without fear. And we get there slowly, one word at a time.
Okay, be makes sense. But been? That one always confuses me. I never know when to use it.
That's what we're talking about next. And I promise, after today,
Ben will feel like an old friend.
Let's talk about been.
Been. Okay, I'm ready.
Been is connected to experience, to things that happened before and still matter now.
Can you explain that more slowly?
Of course. Imagine this. You went to Paris last year. Today, someone asks you, "Have you ever visited Paris?" You say, "Yes, I have been to Paris."
I have been to Paris. So, been shows I experienced something?
Exactly. You went, you saw, you felt, and that experience lives with you now. That is been.
So been is like a memory? A real life experience?
Yes, beautiful way to say it. Been carries your story, your journey.
Give me more examples.
Of course. I have been to that restaurant before.
I have been sick this week.
I have been learning English for 2 years.
Oh, that one. I have been learning English for a long time, and I still make mistakes.
And that is perfectly okay. Notice something in that sentence. I have been learning. It started in the past, but it's still happening now. Been shows that journey from past to present.
So, been talks about time passing?
Yes, duration. Not just one moment, but a period of time. An experience that has weight.
Now, something I always get confused about. Been never stands alone, right?
Very good observation, Ryan. Yes, been always needs a partner. It needs have or has before it.
So I can't just say, I been tired?
No, that feels incomplete. The correct way is I have been tired, or I've been tired.
I've been tired.
That sounds natural.
Very natural, very common. Think of being like this. It doesn't like to be alone. It always comes with have or has.
Been is social. It needs company.
Exactly. Being is social. Now let's practice together. Listeners, try to complete these sentences.
I have been.
Maybe busy this week. Maybe happy lately. Maybe learning English for 1 year.
I have been nervous about speaking English.
That is a very honest and very correct sentence. And I want to say something to everyone listening who has felt that way.
Yes?
Feeling nervous about speaking means you care. It means English matters to you. And the people who care are the people who grow.
That gave me something to think about.
Good. Now, one more important thing about being. We also use being to talk about visiting places.
Like, have you ever been to...
Yes, exactly. Have you ever been to New York? Have you ever been to a concert? Have you ever been to a place that changed you?
Have you ever been to a place that changed you? That's a beautiful question.
And being makes it possible. It's the word that connects you to your past experiences, your travel, your growth, your story.
Okay, be is about becoming. Been is about experience. What about being?
Being is my favorite of the three because being is about right now, this moment, this feeling, this behavior.
Ooh, now I'm curious.
Let's talk about being.
Being. The most mysterious one.
Being talks about something happening now, right now, or around this time, and especially temporary behavior.
Temporary meaning it can change?
Exactly. It can change. For example, you are being very kind today.
You are being very kind today. That sounds natural. What does it mean exactly?
It means right now, in this moment, you are acting in a kind way. Not always, not forever, but today, yes.
So if I say you are kind, that sounds like a personality. Like that's who you always are.
Yes, you are kind, permanent personality. You are being kind right now, this moment.
Oh, that is a big difference. Small word, big meaning.
Exactly. Let's try another one. The child is being very quiet today.
The child is being quiet today. So, usually the child is not quiet?
Maybe, but today, yes. Being quiet. It notices the change. It notices something different from usual.
So, being is like observing a moment?
Yes, beautiful. Being notices. Being describes. Being says, look at what is happening right now.
Can you give me a real conversation example?
Of course. Imagine you are talking to a friend. They seem different today. You say, you are being very quiet today. Is everything okay?
You are being very quiet. That doesn't feel like an attack. It feels caring.
Exactly. Being softens the sentence. It doesn't judge the person, it only describes the moment.
What about being honest? Like, I'm being honest with you.
Yes, very common. I'm being honest with you means right now, in this moment, I am telling you the truth.
I'm being serious.
Yes, I'm not always serious, but right now I am.
I'm being patient.
I am being patient today, even though it is not easy.
Now, being also appears in grammar structures, right? Like passive sentences?
Yes, good point. We also use being when something is happening to something, like the road is being repaired.
The road is being repaired. So someone is repairing it right now.
Exactly. The action is happening now. The house is being painted. The food is being prepared. Your order is being processed.
Oh, your order is being processed. I read that online all the time when I buy something.
Yes, very common in online shopping. See, being is everywhere. Once you see it, you cannot stop seeing it.
Now, let's bring all three together. Be, been, being, and connect them to one story.
One story with all three words?
Yes. Imagine someone learning English. They say, I want to be fluent one day.
Be, a dream, a goal.
Then they say, I have been practicing every night.
Been, experience, effort over time.
And finally, I am being more confident when I speak now.
Being, something changing right now.
Same person, same journey. 3 different words, 3 different meanings.
That is so clear now. Be, who you want to become. Been, what you have experienced. Being, what is happening right now.
Perfect! You just said it better than any grammar book.
Can I try with my own story?
Please.
I want to be someone who speaks English naturally. I have been making mistakes, but learning from them. And right now, I am being brave by practicing.
Ryan, that is a perfect use of all 3. And that is a beautiful thing to say about yourself.
Listeners, try this yourself. Your own 3 sentences. I want to be. I have been. I am being.
Say them out loud, even quietly to yourself, even with mistakes. Because those 3 sentences tell your story, your dream, your journey, your now.
Now, let's talk about mistakes. Because mistakes are how we learn.
And I have made all of these mistakes, so I will not feel embarrassed.
Good. First common mistake. Learners say, I am been tired.
I am been tired. I have said that.
The correct sentence is, I have been tired. Not am, have. Because been needs have, not am.
been needs have, not am. Been is social. It needs the right partner.
Exactly. Second common mistake. Learners say, I being happy today.
I being happy today. That sounds incomplete.
Yes, the correct way is, I am being happy today. Or more naturally, I'm being very positive today. Being needs am, is, or are before it.
So being also has a partner?
Yes, am, is, or are. I am being, he is being, they are being.
Third mistake?
Learners sometimes confuse be and been. They say, I want to been confident. But the correct sentence is, I want to be confident. After want to, we use be, not been.
So after want to, always be.
Always be. After have or has, always been. And with am, is, are, often being.
That is a simple way to remember it.
And one more thing, please don't be scared of mistakes. Every mistake you make in English is a sign that you are trying, and trying is everything.
I remember something a teacher once told me. Silence is more dangerous than a wrong sentence.
That is so true. When you stop speaking because you are scared, you stop growing. So speak, even imperfectly. Speak.
Now let's practice together. Listeners, I will say a sentence, and you decide be, been, or being.
Ready? Let's go.
First sentence. I want to blank a doctor one day.
Be. I want to be a doctor.
Perfect. Second sentence. I have blank waiting for you.
Been. I have been waiting for you.
Beautiful. Third sentence. You are blank very kind today.
Being. You are being very kind today.
Perfect. Listeners, how did you do? If you got them right, wonderful. If you made a mistake, wonderful. Both are part of learning.
Can I try making my own sentences?
Please.
Be. I want to be someone my family is proud of. Been. I have been nervous about speaking English, but I am getting better. Being. I am being honest when I say this podcast is helping me.
Ryan, that was beautiful. And I hope every listener feels what Ryan just showed us. English is not just grammar. It is a way to express your heart, your journey, your truth.
Let's do a final gentle review. B for dreams, advice, goals, and instructions. Been for experience, time, and journey. Being for behavior, change, and what is happening now.
3 small words, 3 big meanings.
And you don't need to master them today. Just understand them. Just feel them. And use one new sentence this week. Just one.
Your challenge? Write one sentence in the comments using be, been, or being. Any sentence, any level. We read every comment.
And if this episode helped you, please share it with someone who is learning English. Because learning is better together.
We are Talk Bella.
And we are here every single day, helping you communicate with confidence. Take care of yourselves. And remember, you are not bad at English. You are learning, and learning is beautiful. See you in the next episode.